실로 니도 니상을 르다오 주베 세바 숨다 시제 니라니 기린라 니온기 게사 토끼나 덴시체베 니온 최소 오메 초가시기나라 게지 최소 투미 표된 갭교 속체 탱구바데 강규레도 탱디 속체 토라 게컵카 니슈츠브드네 최소 투미다 표된 갭교 와서 응외수다 다나신 자게 토네 렌슈난킨 큐 미장 게다 십주 예매식도 게지 최소 투미 표된 갭교 속체 탱구바 디신 표미마치도 렌조다 니온 최소기 표된 갭교 속바니 송제 토네 구리능도
자시 저조 배된 조절 소진天동보됐다 네오딜라 기동구자 부추 고진의 초도가 되네 유럽 자고 같이 아릴라 텐니 초샤 아니 캐나다 초레 네텐 고바된 것도 단다 아 녀게다 자사 토끼올레 초고레 네 나닝하데 제짜네 아니 데이터라 그런 저조 배된 조절 초반년도 건드르셰 세원에 그런 종에는 이제 태전 매버때 조약이 단 림바때서 되는 아주 녀 된제지네 단대토를 살림 한번 나야래. 다너 이게 다 단단한 종에서데 조약이 되서 차대래. 당아도 조대 다 자식도 번데 저저 초생기 미 조대 당아도 배낭기 내던데 야제 용야. 내가 너기 자식 시도가 토네 배된 거 토라 토노도 접수를 용야. 근데 라버도 다 자나도 배기 간요데 니멘기 토네 지 zon쇼 긴저와 테투비하게 당아도 휴전 유튜브야게도 미조원 나오지 텐데 차대래 아니 단디 찬다이나 용 용리 아니 용 조조 벤데 조조 초바래 네 데이터는 당아론도 녀루기 진내받대야도 지송쇼기 튼주르야 대야부 희고지도 된당 가정에서다 신다 두비 체니라 초자로 정말 배고래 아니 숨 이게랑은 좀 총동외기 차고래.
We are having the 9th Parliamentarians' Convention on Tibet here in Tokyo, Japan, because with the growing significance of Southeast Asia, I think Japan stands for the democratic values and the rule of the law and for human rights. Therefore, to have this convention here symbolizes all these norms, what we are looking for. And the main reason why we are having here is also being in Southeast Asia and not having had any WPCT in South Asia, and that's what we are looking for here. All the policy makers and the lawmakers, they are here to give a very strong message to the world that the conflict of Tibet is still matters to the global community, and they are not going to shy away in this phase of injustice to be with the truth and to be with the Tibetan people as His Holiness, to be with the voiceless people. I think it'll give a very strong message to the world.
Participants from 129 countries.
みんな中国の拡張政策を非常に心配しております。チベットの子どもたちが強制的に親から引き離され中国教育を受けさせられていること、チベット仏教への弾圧、言語、文化、知識などの弾圧、アジアを流れる銃の大河の源流であるところの環境破壊、 このままでは20年から30年後、チベット人のアイデンティティはどうなるのでしょう。しかし正しい情報を手に入れることは難しい中国のフェイクニュースにまみれる中で、チベット人として生きる環境を守らなければなりません。
Well, everyone is very concerned about China's expansionist policies. Firstly, the Tibetan children are forcibly separated from their parents and made to receive a Chinese education. Secondly, there is a operation of Tibetan Buddhism or language, culture and knowledge, etc. Thirdly, an environmental destruction at the sources of 10 major rivers flowing through Asia. And however, it is difficult to obtain accurate information with the overwhelming fake news from China. We must protect the environment in which the Tibetan lives.
On behalf of the Tibetan Parliament in Exile, it's my great pleasure and honor to welcome you all to the 9th World Parliamentarians Convention here in Tokyo. Thank you so much for traveling from near and far to be with Tibet and Tibetans, and for your commitment for the truth, justice and human dignity. This evening, as we meet on a dinner, is not just the start of an important convention, but this is also a celebration of our unity and shared dreams. This gives a very strong message to the world that the struggle of Tibetan people for freedom matters in the global arena. And we are not going to shy away from the injustice that's happening in Tibet. We are especially grateful to our co-host, a Japanese Parliamentarian Support Group for Tibet, for hosting this hospitality and warm welcome to all of us.
チベットに関する世界会議がこうして、世界各国の志ある皆様方がお越しいただいて開催されていることに対して深く敬意と感謝を申し上げたいと思います。
I express my deep respect and joy for that the World Conference of Parliamentarians of Tibet is held by dedicated individuals from around the world.
私は昨年までこのチベット日本チベット議員連盟の会長をしておりましたが、昨年の衆議院選挙で涙を飲みましたが、現在は一国民として変わらぬ思いでチベットの皆様方と向き合っていきたいというふうに思っております。
Until last year, I served as the president of Japan-Tibet Parliamentarian Association, but after experiencing hardship in last year's general election, I now face the Tibetan people simply as one citizen with unchanging feelings.